40 years from now, back in 1984, we have seen a movie named Terminator, where we have seen advanced machineries and robots took over humanity. Well, fast forward to today, in 2024, we are seeing the same revolution once again. What I meant to say is, the robots are here. Recently, if you're updated with all the tech news, you must know that all the tech giants are introducing their own robots, whether it is NVIDIA, Mercedes, OpenAI, and other giants. So in this video, I'm going to take you through all the updates that you need to know about this robot revolution. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video and discover some of the latest updates of the robotic. In the recent event, NVIDIA's founder and CEO, Jensen Huang, announced Project GROOT.
This is NVIDIA Project GROOT.
So Project GROOT stands for Generalist Robot 00 Technology, and it is designed to enable humanoid robots to understand natural language processing and create human movements by observing and learning human actions. This allows robots to quickly acquire the skills like coordination and dexterity needed to navigate, adapt, to interact and with the human environment.
The soul of NVIDIA, the intersection of computer graphics, physics, artificial intelligence. It all came to bear at this moment. The name of that project, General Robotics 003. I know, super good. Super good.
So you must be wondering how GROOT was trained. So the model has been trained on NVIDIA's GPU accelerated simulation and enables the humanoids to learn from human demonstration with imitation learning, and for the robotics platform NVIDIA Isaac Lab for reinforcement learning. Here's a video of GROOT learning from human imitation. So the second major update is coming from Figure and OpenAI. Figure is a robotics startup company which is valued over $2.6 billion. So recently, Figure along with OpenAI have announced their first robot, Figure 1. Recently, Figure co-founder and CEO Brett Adcock took to his accounts on the social media platform X to post a video demo of Figure full-size humanoid robot, also known as Figure 01, demonstrating its capability to interact with a nearby human and its environment, showing the robot following the orders, locating and handling the object such as an apple in this case. The robot can also describe what it is doing, and at the same time it can have a conversation with a human itself. It can take instructions, and it is powered by OpenAI, by which it can extract information way faster. So when OpenAI and robot comes into the play, you get Figure 1. So I'm really interested to see what are the future updates we are going to get from Figure, and I believe with such power in a humanoid robot, we can see an in-house assistant very soon, and maybe in the future we can see the availability of this robot in every household. So really interested to see what the future holds. Like, moving on to the next big update. So the third big update is coming from Kerala, a state in India, where we have seen India's first AI robot teacher named Iris.
Now, developed by Maker Labs, Iris is a creation that boasts humanoid features and the capability to handle subjects from kindergarten to class 12th. Now, unlike traditional AI teaching systems that are confined to screens, Iris's physical presence adds a new dimension to classroom dynamics.
Iris is India's first AI teacher, which holds the capability to revolutionize education with its interactive feature and personalized learning experience. Its introduction marks a significant step towards innovative education in India, and I'm pretty sure soon we are going to see AI teachers all across the globe. Like, I miss my childhood when we used to get real life teachers, but in the future I believe we are going to get robot teachers also, which holds the capability to not only tell you verbally but also visually. Just imagine a teacher coming to your classroom and all of a sudden her eyes or its eyes turns into a projector and you can see the entire thing in front of your eyes. That will be way more interactive and exciting. But yeah, I love my childhood. So let's move on with the fourth update in the robotics industry. So the next update is from one of the biggest car giants of the world, Mercedes-Benz. The car giant is adding Aptronic's Apollo humanoid robots to its factory. according to the company, has a form factor that roughly matches the size of a human worker. 5 foot 8 inch tall, approximately 73 kgs in weight, and the ability to lift around 24 kgs. Is built to operate in industry spaces alongside people. The robot's runtime is 4 hours per battery pack. Hot swappable battery packs are set to allow Apollo to continue working with a simple battery change instead of plug-in charged, during which time it is not operational. The robot has LEDs in head, mouth and chest, all working together to communicate status. So yeah, I have told you about the 4 major updates from the robotech world. And we are seeing robots in education, in industries, in helping you in household, and also in your daily life. So I believe the future is really interesting because we are going to see robotic workers, robotic teachers, robotic assistant, and even a housemaid. Who knows? Currently, it's very surprising to see all such advanced robot comes into play. But I believe in the next 5 to 10 years, it will be a common thing. Who knows, after 5 to 6 years, an identical robot will be sitting on my place making videos and I'll be sitting on my couch enjoying some movies or TV shows. So yeah, if you have any thoughts, do tell us in the comment section below and do recommend this topic. What next would you like to hear? So till then, this is your host Ritesh signing off.